Hey, today we'll be do some modeling by use the HEC Georas and HEC, which is developed by U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and also it is free software and free extension toolbar. We can install it with the ArcGIS. So we need in this point to preparing the DEM digital elevation map by use this website. It's called SRTM, and here there is a download SRTM. When you download it, we'll open the new map with the GIS with the Google Earth. It's showing the latitude and longitude and the area which you're interested to do this modeling. Anyway, after we get the modeling for the DEM, we open the GIS and we have to import the DEM here. So this is SRTM for the Spokane River area in Washington State. So this is the area, this is the streamlines, and this is the main river here, it's showing. The first thing we have to preparing the TIM file. So by use the ARC toolbox. They take some time to prepare this toolbox. By the way, the HEC it's a free software, as I said before, and we can just install it. Just write HEC Georas, sorry. There is two things, there is HEC and HEC Georas. The HEC it's separate software, like this one. Showing now. HEC. This is the HEC. Oh, sorry. This is the HEC. It's 4.1, which is last version. I prefer to download this one. It is good. And there's another one. It's called HEC Georas. It's supported from same company, from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The HEC Georas. If you have like 10.1, you have to install 10.1. So I'm using 10.1 because my JS is 10.1. So this one here is showing the instruction for how can install the HEC Georas. This is the 10.1, the full package. You can just download from here. This is the software HEC. This is the HEC. Sorry. Software HEC Georas. It's the extension toolbar. Download it. This is the download from here. It's free, as I said before. Here we have to try to convert the DEM to the tin, which is triangular, from the conversion toolbar, and there is here DEM to raster, no. Go to the 3D analysis, and here conversion uh, from raster to 10, this one. Yes, the input data, you have the TIFF file, which is the DEM. The output, I will just change the saving location to here, let's say here, and I will name it as a 10 Spokane, and save it. Here the maximum number of points, I will reduce this one, let's say for 15,000. I'll leave the same. Let's like 7. Let's see. So it's working now. I hope will be, because sometimes I got damage, in the tin. You need to preparing the triangular, lines, because it's the 3D lines. It's not like 4D lines. It's like 4 knots. And the DEM, we have to convert the 4 points to the 3 points, from the rectangular to the triangular. So let's see. I hope it's working. They need to take some times. Anyway, I already converted before, because I do some modeling there in Spokane. It is sometimes to complete this one, because the resolution is so high. I think it's done now. Yep, you see, it doesn't work. We have to change some numbers of Z. It was like 15,000, I think. So we need to change this one. Anyway, I did one before, so let's delete this one anyway. This is mine. See, it's higher resolution. This is the main river we'll be modeling today. This is coming from Idaho State. They through to the Washington State, from the Spokane County. It's here. After we install the HEC Georas, which is this one, we will modeling this area and this river, and see the floodplain map, how is it looking like. First, we have to build the streamlines. First, we need to save. Let's save it here. F. So here, tutorial 1, HEC Georas, which means river analysis system or simulation. Sorry. So save it here. First, we have to do the streamlines. This river, I will leave it same as the name. Stream center line path is created now. And we have to do the bank lines. The bank line is also done. It's easy software, you know. Third, we have to the flow path center lines. Yep. Okay. It's integrated successfully. It's fine now. Fourth thing, we have to the XS cut lines, which is make suction for the river. Now it's done also. So this is the first tutorial. The second tutorial will be working on more details for the center line of the river, the bankway for each side of river, and the section in each point. So see you next lecture.